Hello everyone, I am Manish Mande, Faculty of English Language at Sabdhani Coaching Institute. So guys, today I would like to tell you about one of the very important topic of English language that is always being asked in like banking, SSC, or also it is being asked in state level exams. So you must master on these topics. So let's see. So first of all, you know well, there are some major topics like reading comprehension, closed test, parajumble. In each and every exam, these questions are being asked, so you must know about it. So today I am taking one topic, that is parajumble. And most of the students get confused in this. What is parajumble and how to solve it? What are the strategies to attempt such kind of questions? So guys, you have to understand it. So what is the rearrangement? It means something or some of the sentences that would be given to you in jumbled form, and you have to arrange them properly to make a meaningful paragraph. So that is called sentence rearrangement, or we can say parajumble. It means the arrangement of the events is called sentence rearrangement or parajumble. So for this, you must be aware of the grammatical concepts, as well as your thinking capacity should be very clear to link the events whatever is happening there. So इन सभी चीजों का आपको ध्यान रखना है, तब जाके आप इसमें अच्छा कर पाओगे. और ऐसा कोई एग्जाम नहीं इसमें आजकल ये पूछा नहीं जा रहा, सभी जगह पे इसको पूछा जा रहा है. सो गाइस, इसका ध्यान रखिएगा. लाइक आपको ऐसे क्वेश्चंस मिलते होंगे कि आपको ABCD करके कुछ सेंटेंसेस दिए रहते हैं, ABC. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, or E. So these are the sentences, or you have to read them, and there would be given some options. So कुछ options भी आपको मिले रहेंगे, like BCDA और CDABE. So इस तरीके के आपको क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे. मतलब आपको इन सेंटेंस को पढ़कर ये पता लगाना होता है कि पहले नंबर पर कौन सा सेंटेंस आ रहा, B आ रहा, C आ रहा, D आ रहा. Then you have to arrange them in a proper sequence. So guys, this is called parajumble, or this is called sentence rearrangement. Means you should know about the grammatical concepts, how to arrange them. आपको पता है कि पहले नाउन आएगा तो उसको लिंक करने के लिए कोई प्रोनाउन चाहिए मुझे, है ना, या किसी एडजेक्टिव की मुझे रिक्वायरमेंट है, तो विच एडजेक्टिव शुड बी यूज्ड हियर. सो ये सारी चीजें हमें पता होना चाहिए. सो दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. थैंक यू एवरीवन. बढ़िया.